let's check out everything that's included in the Kids Starter Kit for Lifeways VBS 2019 in the wild. First up, you're going to find everything that you need inside this kit for one class of first and second graders, one class of third and fourth graders, and one class of preteens or fifth and sixth graders. We call it VBX. Now, inside this box, the first thing you'll see is your grades 1 through 2 pack, the leader guide. Both of those are for teachers, and then the item that's for kids to take home is the field guide for grades 1 through 6. You get a sample of that so that you can know exactly what's in it before you go to purchase one for every child. Next up, we have the same thing, but for grades 3 and 4. A leader guide, a leader pack, both of those are for teachers, and then for kids, the field guide. And next, we'll see a sample of everything you need for one class of preteens. You have the leader guide, the leader pack, and a field guide for this age group as well. Now we get into rotations, and this covers all grades 1 through 6. We have our recreation cards so that you're ready to play all of the games for VBS. We also have snack cards, and these snack cards, these recipes, are good for preschoolers and for children. We also have all of our other rotation guides. We have a missions rotation with a DVD-ROM with missions videos, a music leader guide, which gives you all of the songs and the motions that you'll need for VBS, and our crafts leader guide. Now, there are also some samples of things so that you can preview things before you go to purchase them. One is our craft pack sampler. It has samples of all 6 craft packs so that, again, you can decide which ones you want to use in your VBS. And then we have a cool little bag of some neat kids stuff, including this little snapshot viewer, which is a working camera that has the pictures of all of the Bible stories for the day.